Hey everyone, this is another example from section 3.1. In this example they want us to graph the function f, and you'll notice that the function f is written in vertex form. Remember, vertex form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. So if you want to graph this function that's in vertex form, the first thing you need to do is find the vertex. Well, remember the vertex is going to be h comma k. And if we look here, h was supposed to be negative h. Well, now it's positive 8. That means h was actually negative 8. Because if it's positive 8 and it was supposed to be minus h, you must have had a negative 8 plugged in there. The other way I think about this is, what number plus 8 would give me 0? Well, that would be negative 8. So that's going to be our h value right there. So then our k value is the number out here, plus k. Well, that's plus 4, so that means k was 4. So our vertex is actually negative 8, 4. So in vertex form, it's pretty easy to find the vertex. So this is kind of like slope-intercept form for linear equations. This vertex form makes it easy to graph. So negative 8, 4 is where we're going to start. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the graph, mark it negative 8, 4. And then I'm going to actually use this number out front. It's kind of like a slope. So if my vertex is negative 8, 4, remember that means that there's an axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry at x equal negative 8. So right here, when I got negative 8, 4, really have an axis of symmetry which goes right along here. This thing here with the negative tells me that this thing opens downwards. And the axis of symmetry says that if I have whatever I have on this side, I need to reflect it on the other side. So this says negative 6. That's actually like a slope. I can go down 6, so down 40 here, and then down 1 more, 2 more actually. So negative 6 over 1, that's one of my points. But because I have an axis of symmetry at negative 8, because this is my vertex, it's obviously the bottom part, or in this case the top part, so it's this part right here, but reflected over, it's the top part. I need to reflect this dot on the other side. So not only do I have to go down 6 over 1, I need to go down 6 and then back 1 to get my other point as well. And then you would have a line or a quadratic function that goes through those 3 points and looks like that. So recap, equation in a quadratic that is in vertex form, you can grab the vertex right away and then use the number in front to tell you which way it opens and to kind of make a slope and reflect it across the axis of symmetry line.